Albert's gonna try it. Take two. Do it again. See if you can do it again. Can you do it again? Oh yeah, he's pro. He's a pro. You're a pro. Hi, pro. High five. High five. High five. What are you doing? What are you doing? Josie's like, this is no big deal. What's the big deal? What's the big deal? See, look, he's getting a plume. Albert's getting his plume. He's going to have a big plumey tail. You're going to be a pretty papillon. I'm so excited. Maybe he'll go into his ears. He's going to go into your ears. Josie, do you care? You're such an old hat now. You're such an old hat. What? What? No. No. The California Gays are